Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture, we will discuss how to create or how to georeference a map in ArcGIS Pro software. So first of all, need to add a raster image which you want to georef. So go to catalog and connect with the folder. So okay, now expand this and folder is connected. Here right click on image and add to a current map. No, calculate statistic for this map, yes. Go to content and right click on it. Click on zoom to layer. So we need to georeference this map by adding latitudinal and longitudinal values. Go to imagery and pick a georeferencing tool. Now here pick the control point tool. Now zoom up to maximum for better georeferencing. So click on it and right click on it, and here you can see that there are two types of video. One is degree decimals and another one is degree minute seconds. So we need to add a degree minute second value. So first add longitudinal value. Click on northing. Okay, so click on map and right click that and zoom to layer again. So we add this first value, 70 is longitudinal value easting and 37 northing is our latitudinal value. Now add a second control point to the map, which is 74 and 37. So zoom on it. Zero. Okay. Now turn off this what topographic map. So zoom to layer. Now add third value. $74 and $31. Okay. Now add last point. For georeferencing a map, we need to add a minimum 4 control points to the map. So we add a last control point. Okay. Now here you can see that we add minimum 4 control point to the map. So now we can check the control point table and check the accuracy of the map. Here you can see that there are lots of georeferencing errors in this map, so we will fix it. How to fix this error and reduce the error up to 1? So go to first point and zoom up to maximum layer. You can see that, and pick this select tool. Now click on it. So you can see that this one is selected. Now we need to fix this error. Drag this up to a green box. Now here click on it, and you can see that the error is reducing. So click again, reduce the error furthermore. You can see that we are moving toward the accuracy of the map. Now go to the second control point. By this processing we reduce the error and georef a map perfectly. So click on this. Here you can see that has become reduced. Now go to third point. By this processing we can reduce the georeferencing error. Now here you can see we reduce the georeferencing error. So you can complete this processing. Now go to map and close this table, and you can save your project work here, and also save as a new map. Just simply I just save it, wait for it, and close the georeferencing. So go to base map and add a hybrid imagery. Now here you can see our map is perfectly georef at the hybrid reference layer. This is a hybrid reference layer of real world imagery. So you can see that our map has georeference perfectly at this outer boundary. Now go to raster and pick a swipe tool. As you can see, we georef this region. So by this way you can georeference a map perfectly. Next video I will show you that how to digitize a map in ArcGIS Pro software. Thank you.